Cool.
Sammy, happy guy farm, and I made my dragon.
Wow, that's awesome. Very cool.
And I even colored it.
What's these for?
I even colored.
What's these for?
Did they put this on board?
Nope.
What is it for?
Look at it.
Look over there by the window. What's that stuff?
Look over by the window. What is it?
When come here.
What is it?
What do you?
Cases.
Okay.
Then
So,
my.
what do you think that means?
What?
We're kicking you out.
Vacation.
Yep.
Yeah. But
Where do you think we're going?
Kristen?
Kristen, no, that's mommy's. You have
What?
a bag here.
Where do you think we're going? Look at all this stuff.
Look at the stuff.
Look.
Get the stuff out of the bag and look. Look at everything.
No one comes to everything out of that.
Well, that's the idea.
I got a wall.
Disney.
Yeah.
Yep.
Alex figured it out.
We're gonna go to Disney World.
I knew that because of a show.
You knew that because of the shirt?
I
Race car. Race car.
Guys, we're leaving tomorrow morning. You guys know where you're going? Alex said.
Do you? I think they're more concerned about.
What's in
their
there?
bag?
Yeah.
Each of their wallets have a $20 bill on it.
Oh.
They can get a souvenir.
Right in.
So watch.
I got my
Okay.
Hi. Did you understand where we're going tomorrow?
Yeah.
Where? Disney World. We're not going to California.
Yeah, my very own thing. Okay.
They're more excited about the bags.